You're truly something special. Just what my dreams are really made of. Let's stay together, you and me, boy. There's no one like you around. Oh, baby.
Baby girl. There's a storm. I can't really explain it.
Pretty girl, I think you know that I am a long way from perfect, and I'm not a perfect partner, but I vow to always work to bring laughter and joy to our lives. I vow to always support you in the things you need, whether you need them to be happy, to feel like you have purpose, to satisfy your moral compass, or even just because you're being stubborn. I vow to push you forward when you get stuck, to help you find where the next challenge will come from, or to get you past the challenge that's proving a little too tall. I vow to help you deal with our not-so-little monster over here, to work together to get him out the door as a contributing member of society, and to try our best to see that he's happy when he gets there. I vow to smile with you in the good times, and to dry your tears in the bad, and to help hold you up in both. And I vow to always be there no matter what comes, because everything's easier when you're not alone. I vow to always adjust, to try my best to understand what's not working well in our lives or what's changed about us, and how we need to adapt our relationship to fit the people we're becoming, or just because we're getting boring and you're getting grumpy about it. And I vow to love you, to love spending time with you, and to love the life we share together. I love you.
I've waited for this day ever long, and I could never have imagined that our life could ever be this wonderful. That we'd be standing here with the breeze and the sea and the rain behind us. Breathe out so I can breathe you in, and we can spend the rest of our lives together. I vow my love, my life, and my future to you, and I want to thank you for your patience, kindness, laughter, and love for the past 8 years. 8 years is a long time, but it's never too late to express how precious you are to me. And since we're no strangers to love, a full commitment's what I'm thinking of. With these vows, I just want to tell you how I'm feeling, and that I'm never going to give you up or let you down. Does that make me crazy? Possibly. But I'm already crazy since it's taken this long to get us here. It's been so long that I can no longer count the years on one hand that we've been together. And though after all this time, I'm still so in love with you. And on our worst nights, I'm still so in love with you. Every day for us is something new, but as long as I'm with you, nothing else matters. I don't really mind what happens in life going forward as long as you'll be my friend and my husband until the end. So as long as I live, will you be there holding my hand? I can't really hold your hand while I'm reading this. Love is forever and love is free, so let's turn together, forever you and me. And if we are ever apart, I promise I'll be dreaming and counting the ways to where you are. Since I want to spend my nights with you and spend my entire life with you, spending every moment of my life getting closer and closer to you. Since no matter what I do, all I think about is you. You know I'm crazy over you. I just never knew before I met you that I could ever feel like this, and every day I love you more and more. So before I say you do, I have a few questions. Do you love me? Will you love me forever? Will you never leave me? Will you make me so happy for the rest of my life? Will you take me away and make me your wife?
But of course.
Kristen Brandon, you are now married. May your love continue to grow and flourish, and may your ohana always be a source of strength and joy. This is your family. You guys found it all on your own. It's little and brand new, but still good. Yeah, still good. You may kiss the bride.